In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Docusign account. Whether you're new to Docusign or just need a quick refresher, logging in is a simple process that allows you to access a vast array of electronic signature features and intelligent agreement management tools. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you feel comfortable using. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Docusign website. To do this, type www.docusign.com into the address bar and hit enter. The Docusign homepage is your gateway to managing electronic agreements with ease and efficiency. Once on the Docusign homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the login button. This button is your entry point into the wealth of features Docusign offers for securely managing agreements. Click on this login button to proceed to the login page. Now on the login page, you will see fields to enter your email address and password. Begin by typing your email address into the designated field. Remember, this should be the email you used when you registered your Docusign account. Enter it carefully to avoid any typos, which could prevent you from logging in successfully. Once you've entered your email address, it's time to input your password. Move to the password field and type in your password. Ensure that caps lock is off, and if there's any doubt about the password, you might want to use the show password feature to double check your entry. This feature is often represented by an eye icon. If you happen to forget your password, don't worry. Docusign's login page provides a quick way for you to reset it. Simply click on the Forgot Your Password link, usually found beneath the password entry field. Follow the instructions you receive in your email to set up a new password. Once you've entered both your email and password correctly, go ahead and click the Login button, which is usually found directly below the password field. After clicking, the system will securely verify your details, and shortly you'll be redirected inside your Docusign account dashboard. Congratulations, you are now logged into your Docusign account. From here, you can start creating new agreements, review existing ones, or explore the many other features that Docusign has tailored for effective electronic signature and agreement management. Remember, keeping your login credentials secure is your responsibility. Always log out of Docusign when using public computers. So there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to log into your Docusign account. We hope this tutorial helps you access all the convenient features Docusign offers with ease. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more helpful tips.